This is the Blade Cordless Foam Saw, a versatile tool for cutting and shaping foam. So let's go over some of the key features and see this tool in action. This foam saw is cordless and rechargeable, so you don't have to deal with a cord while maneuvering a large sheet of foam. The saw comes with two blade sets, an 8-inch flexible pair for tight curves and detail work, and a 10-inch set of stiff blades for straight cuts and broader curves. With these, you can cut foam up to 6.5 inches thick with the 8-inch set, and up to 8 inches thick with the 10-inch blades. The dual reciprocating blades effortlessly cut through upholstery foams without the use of heat like some other foam cutters, which create unpleasant odors and fumes, especially when cut indoors. But before we start cutting, here's everything that comes included. Everything packs neatly into this carrying case for safe storage and portability. You also get a second battery pack for backup power on bigger projects. The included charger brings a battery from dead to fully charged in about an hour, so power shouldn't be an issue. All of these parts can be bought separately should you ever lose or damage them. And I like knowing that replacement parts are available anytime I invest in a new tool. Now let's see this thing in action. It shines when cutting curved organic shapes where precision and control are important. It cuts straight lines well too, though it doesn't have a base plate like our corded foam saw. That base plate helps achieve tight 90-degree cuts, so when you're using the cordless foam saw for straight lines, just watch your angle and make sure you cut off the edge of a table. You could even use the table edge like a fence to keep your cut straight. The 10-inch blades are ideal for large wedge cuts, while the 8-inch blades excel in tighter areas, sharper curves, and clean chamfers. Thanks to its smaller footprint and cordless design, you can also use it to trim foam after it's attached to your project. And here's a woodworking comparison that may be helpful. I think of the corded foam saw as a table saw, perfect for ripping a large board down to size. The cordless saw is like a bandsaw or jigsaw, where you take that simple shape and cut away details to create your final design. And our foam shaper would be like your sanding tools, making sure everything is perfectly smooth. So if you need a solution for cutting high density, medium density, closed cell, or open cell seating foam, this is the tool for you. Get yours today at Sailrite.com, along with all of your other foam needs. Thanks for watching.